Ladies. Today we gather to celebrate a very special moment, Aliyah's 18th birthday. Aliyah, words cannot express how proud we are of the incredible young woman you have become. Watching you blossom into someone who is not only sweet, smart, strong, and beautiful, but also kind, determined, and full of life, has been one of the greatest blessings in our lives. Every day we thank God for you, for your heart, your spirit, and the light you bring into our family. As you step into this exciting new chapter of your life, we encourage you to continue dreaming big and working hard. Know that no matter where life takes you, we will always be here, cheering for you, supporting you, and praying for your happiness and success. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself the way we believe in you. We are so proud of the person